So in the other video, we did a loop that depended on conditions. Now in this video, we are going to do a different type of loop, and this is called a for loop. The idea of a for loop is that it can have a definite ending, so we know which number it is going to start on. Now I'm going to give you an example of some code here before we start. So I've got 4, all right? I'm going to open up my brackets and I'm going to say equals counter equals 1. Okay. Then I have counter is less than 11. And then I also have counter plus plus. I will explain what these different parts do in a minute. So you have everything that is carried out by your loop inside these curly brackets. This is the same. Now what I've got here is cout. This time, through the loop, the counter is, now I'll explain what happens here, counter end line. So what is happening here? This is your start point, okay? And it's basically saying, while it's meeting this condition, increase that by 1. That is what the plus plus does. So it says, while that number, so it has a definite finish. So when I run this here, what you will see is, there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see while it is less than 11, it will add 1 to the value of that counter. And what I've used here is the value counter, which you can see here. Value counter is part of that program. Hopefully that makes some sense, because we would like you to try and do a few different counts and see if you can investigate how to count backwards.